fuck, bro?
Bro.
Oh, tiny. I'm gonna party.
Why do you got a Subi tuner?
A CD Connect?
Yeah.
So it's Evo Connect.
They don't say Evo. They say Cobb.
Cobb's also for BMW.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah, many people.
See, we don't know what that's like.
I had a BMW. What the fuck? That's as big as it goes.
I swear it go 19.
Missing the 19.
Thank you, thank you.
It's fine, grab it.
I thought I was getting scared. What if the whole drive shaft just falls?
You trying to do it already?
No, am I supposed to?
So what are you doing? Did you YouTube this first?
No. That's why I told Johnny. We don't need it.
Yeah, you do.
When did I say that?
Why the fuck does no one YouTube shit first?
Bro, it can't be that hard.
Alright, I'm gonna sit here and watch you do it.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yep.
Here, Johnny, shoot this one up. See, that's how it's supposed to come out. You find me? Johnny, why isn't it coming off?
Mechanic!
I can't even see it.
Bro, don't even look at me, bro. I don't know what the fuck I've been doing.
That's why the camera didn't point at you. I'm just playing.
I can't be missing another bolt.
Why are you guys in crop? Is that like an Asian thing?
Yeah, look what Johnny's wearing.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, there's a bolt up here
I
too.
feel like the whole like Mexican description right now. I'm wearing boots and my work pants with my fucking work kitty.
That guy. That thing.
I know, but how are we gonna push it in all the way through?
So this socket is gonna push this through.
I know, but how is it gonna go all the way through if we bottom it out?
That's what you have. Oh, you want to something? No.
You know.
Are you going?
It's not gonna go nowhere.
What do you mean?
We're pinching both of these together.
No, like
He's
it's
trying
gonna
to rip the
it's
old
gonna
one.
rip. Like your thing in there, it's gonna rip.
That one will heal,
Yeah, it's
and
gonna.
then the metal gonna be on there.
You
But
see what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
but the top of it is hitting this one.
I get it, but it's like it's.
You're
gonna
ripping this one, bro. This one right here. You're ripping this.
Hold on,
This
I don't know if we
centerpiece.
have this perfectly.
That's why
on.
I don't think so either.
I don't know if we have this perfectly.
Camate vos.
Didn't have a ball joint press. Had to come to Mr. Ryan McCormick's house, getting it done. Thank you, sir.
Anytime, bro. Anytime.
Fuck yeah. Yep, and we're back. What are we doing, Johnny?
Figure out my oil leak.
He's leaking everything. He put a cord in this morning and it's already flashing with the oil light. So yeah, he's leaking oil. He's spraying it with some brake cleaner right now. Getting her done. We're also doing maintenance on the truck. We had I've been meaning to change my brake pads out for like, I don't know. It's been a while. And yeah, my brake pad fucking fell off. Trying to drive to the shop to go put these brake pads on for front and rear of my truck. And yeah, couldn't even make it out the driveway without the brake pad falling off. Johnny's over here working on his car, going crazy, spraying everything away. I think it's the oil filter housing down there, that bad boy. I think it's that guy. Finished up this side, got the wheel back on. Johnny just finished up the oil change. Got fucking high mileage oil instead of regular full synthetic, like an idiot. But yeah, we're ready to go. Just gotta dump that oil into here. And we're gonna go do Maintenance on Johnny's car next. We got oil filter housing gasket on his daily. You would never guess what this dude drives. Johnny drives a 04 Honda Odyssey.
Yeah, I thought it was a cool car.
Yeah, we're gonna do it's leaking oil really, really bad. I don't know where the light is. I'll show you guys. Yeah, this thing's pissing oil all over the place. So we're gonna start with this bad boy right here. Oil filter housing gasket. Hopefully that gets it done. Right here, right here, right here. Knocking it out. Come on, show me NASCAR. Oh.
Buddy.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Give her a kick. Okay.
New day. What we about to do? Get food. About to get food. We about to go to Crafted. We about to go to Crafted.
Gotta get some poke. Gotta poke some bitch.
We finna go to Crafted. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What you getting?
Europe. This used to be the spot back in college.
This was the spot.
Carbonated water.
What'd you get, Ricky?
Carbonated water with cherry.
All right,
It's
y'all.
on fire in here. It's so
Doing
damn
a-
cold.
Doing a backup camera install. We're gonna be installing his mic as well, because when the previous owner installed the head unit, he didn't put in the mic, so we get to do that today.
The reverse camera replaces the tag light, and for us to run the wire all the way back up into here, making it look clean, we're gonna have to take the bumper off. And I'm kind of on a time frame, so we're not really gonna do that. So instead, we're just gonna hop straight into doing. Oh. Damn, he already got my whole car taken apart.
It's just one trim piece, bro.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Yeah, so now Johnny's working on the microphone. I'm going this side. We're back. We got Johnny eating something. But he got my whole radio out already. I'm gonna go to the other side if I can do this shit without making the gimbal go crazy. Don't mind my garage, it's hella dirty.
3.
Alright. What we working with, Johnny?
Whoa, there's so many of these. Y'all. Where's that?
Yeah, so okay. Oh, where'd you pull that up from?
Bro, you got an HDMI in this bitch.
Oh, no shit.
Did you even hook up your PlayStation, Xbox?
Bro, what's the deal? Hey, can we hook up the USB ports while we're at it?
Yeah, bring it.
You sure it's gonna be long enough?
Should be.
I'm gonna need some better 3M tape.
Few moments later.
Alright, give me one of them.
No, you gotta get the sour one.
Which one's this one?
See what I mean? Shit.
That shit hella sour.
Which one's that one? This one you been eating, fool. Sponsored by Corona and Warheads.
Mm-hmm.